Alright guys, now this right here, it's how to secure your server to keep it updated. It's gonna be a quick video, but I didn't want to overlook this, so let's get to it. Now to upgrade your server, you want to do sudo apt update and colon sudo apt upgrade. What this command does is the first line before the colon, the updates, looks for updates, anything to be updated, and if it finds something, then it terminates, and then the second command goes on and updates. You just do it in one step. You can do it twice if you want. That's up to you. So I like to do it in one step. Anyways, that's how you update your server, but you don't want to be doing this all the time, do you? Right? You want to set it and forget it. Now we can set the server to just update only security patches, and that's what we're going to do. So what you do for that, it's install unintended upgrade patches. So you do that by sudo apt install. I hate typing with one hand. Install unattended dash upgrades. So you go ahead and do that. After that, you follow that with this command: sudo the package manager dpkg dpkg dash reconfigure unattended dash upgrades, and you hit enter. Now you have to go with this and just accept for yes. Once that's done, let's clear the screen here. Now there are some other things that you might want to do. You can do enable a firewall, so you're gonna do ufw enable. You need to be root, so we're gonna use a sudo ufw enable. Now after you enable your firewall, you might want to allow port 22 for SSH. So remember, we installed SSH in an earlier video. ufw allow 22/TCP. Okay, that's added, and you might wanna yeah, I think TCP, that's, you just want to allow your thing to be accessed with TCP. And that's it for this video, securing your server. Let's move on to the next one.